Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are trying to sign in to Microsoft Teams but keep getting blocked by error code 0x80190001, I will show you exactly how to fix your network and account credentials right now. Let's get started. First, error 0x80190001 is almost always caused by a strict network block or a glitch in your internet connection communicating with Microsoft's servers. If you are currently using a VPN or a custom proxy server, temporarily disable it. If you are on a standard home Wi-Fi network, try connecting your computer directly to your phone's mobile hotspot to completely bypass any local router restrictions that might be blocking your login. Next, your computer might be trying to use an old corrupted password token to sign you in. Click on your Windows search bar, type Credential Manager, and open the Control Panel app. Click on the Windows Credentials section, scroll down the list, and look for any saved passwords starting with Microsoft Account, Microsoft Office, or Teams. Click the drop-down arrow next to each one and hit Remove to force Teams to securely ask you for a brand new login. Finally, if the app is still throwing the error, we need to completely reset your underlying network. Click the Windows search box, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type exactly ipconfig //flush DNS and press Enter. After that, type exactly netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. Once both commands successfully run, completely restart your computer so Windows can build a brand new clean internet connection, allowing you to bypass the error and successfully log in to Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.